Hello everyone, welcome back to the crafty decor adventure. Olivia of Olivia's Deco, and in today's video I am so excited to share with you guys some DIY, Dollar Tree, and budget-friendly Christmas decor crafts. So listen, this is another episode in my huge I Love Christmas series. I'd love to share with you guys how you can make your home's boutique a gorgeous on a budget, and it is November 1st if you guys are watching this in real time. We are about 10 videos deep on our I Love Christmas series, or maybe 10 to 15, I don't know. Anyway, we're having a blast crafting and decorating for Christmas, and I cannot wait to share with you guys this year's theme and get to decorating my Christmas tree. So anyway, I hope you guys are having an amazing, blessed day. Let's jump into the crafts without further ado. Let's go ahead and plug in those glue guns, get out your glitter and paint, and let's get to crafting. For this Dollar Tree DIY, we're going to make a super adorable little Christmas gnome using one of those Dollar Tree witch hats. So from the Dollar Tree, you're going to pick up one of the little witch hat wreath forms and remove all of the tinsel. It's super easy to do. And then once you have that done, you're going to take your scissors and run them down the side and get those little kind of side pieces off of there. The next thing I'm doing is taking some of this Dollar Tree buffalo check plaid fabric. I'm going to wrap it around the top part of the little witch hat, trim off the excess fabric. We'll use that for another project, and then continue to hot glue the fabric in and around the witch hat wreath form. This is such a fun idea, and I actually saw this, gosh, on another DIY somewhere, but they did a fall gnome, so I was thinking to myself today, hey, let's do a Christmas gnome. So anyway, I'm going to take this little Dollar Tree Christmas tree and wrap it around the base of my little witch hat, and then I'm going to take some puffy snow, and this is actually pillow fill fluffing, and I'm just going to gently begin to tuck it into the evergreen. You can add a little dab of hot glue in there. It sticks into the evergreen pretty well, and if you're just going to have it hanging on your wall, it's not really necessary to just completely hot glue it really hard. I did add some dibble dabbles of hot glue though, and then I'm going to continue to fill in the Christmas tree form here to make the gnome's wreath. Now, I had one of these Dollar Tree large puffy balls. It's actually like a little bunny rabbit ball, but you guys can grab these at the craft store or at Dollar Tree, or you can just make your own. And then I'm going to add in some more puffy, fluffy, bearded snow to kind of try to get it a little bit more even. And you really want to just kind of play around with this. But how adorable is this? It's only a couple of bucks, especially if you have an old pillow laying around. And then I'm going to add in a cute little Dollar Tree bow to the top part of his hat. And then I'm going to use some of this Dollar Tree rope mesh tubing, and I'm going to make a big giant fluffy bow. I'm going to hot glue that to the base of my hat, pop that in, and then bam, we have the most adorable little Christmas gnome. I think he's so cute, loads of personality. And then I'm even going to add these cute little snowflakes to the center of the bow, and voila, we have a fabulous little gnome wreath on a total budget. I hope you guys are inspired and are loving this one. Let me know what you think about it. I really wanted to make one of these for a while, and I thought he came out super cute. And just think, you guys could always customize his hat to any color that you love, whatever you're decorating for. And I'll try to think of an idea if you haven't found the Dollar Tree witch hat wreath forms of what we can use. I'll be turning my wheels on that one, but super fun, fabulous on a budget. For this Dollar Tree project, I'm excited to share with you guys how to really jazz up and glam up those Dollar Tree sparkling deer. So the first thing we want to do is add a cute little just bow around the neck. We're going to add a really large giant bow, but I do want to have something to put my big giant bow on. So I went ahead and pre-tied just a quick little tie bow around the neck. Next thing I'm going to do is use my easy bow maker, or you guys can always just make that easy bow that I have shown you how to do so many times. Go back and watch some of my bow videos. I'll be posting them on all my socials, especially as the holidays draw near. But you're going to take your little bow maker and make a cute and a fun little easy loopy bow, and then we're going to add that around this Dollar Tree deer's neck. Now, I love to get this large thing of gold ribbon from Hobby Lobby. The next thing I want to do is zip tie that on to the neck of my little deer here. Give it a nice fluffy duffy out, and then add in some little greenery sprigs. Again, you guys can really get creative with this. I have been watching videos on the Ritz-Carlton at Christmas time. I love watching videos about how fancy designer hotels and just designer places in general design really high-end designs, and we're going to duplicate that more on a budget. So I added in the greenery and then a pretty jewel. Now I love getting my jewels from Natalie at totallydazzled.com. I'll leave a link to Totally Dazzled in the description box of my YouTube video. The next thing I want to do is take some of this little Elmer's glue, and I love how it's in this little pen thing because it makes it really nice and easy just to squirt on. But my reindeer's antlers, I noticed, were they were just kind of icky. A lot of the glitter had fallen off, and that's one thing you can do to make your Dollar Tree glitter item or Dollar Tree items look a little bit more high end is go in and repair some of the glitter. So if it comes with glitter, you can either paint over it if you don't care for the glam look, or you can kind of repair it and make it look a little bit nicer. I'm adding gold fancy shoes to my Dollar Tree reindeer, and I really do feel like it jazzed this project up. So let me know what you guys think, and I think this is something super easy. Hey, and if you have some kids and grandkids and you don't mind a little bit of a glittery mess, enlist them in helping with some of these. I even think it would be fun to do like a whole Christmas tree full of deer. Maybe we'll be doing that. I still need to make a trip to Dollar Tree for this year's Christmas supplies. Hopefully they haven't sold out. I am recording this video on October 31st, so it's actually Halloween tonight when I'm doing this voiceover for you guys. So hopefully it's not too late to jump in and grab some goodies from Dollar Tree. But I love this deer. I think it came out super fabulous, and I feel like it looks really high end on a total budget. For this Dollar Tree DIY, I want to share with you guys how you can take those little Dollar Tree craft bottles and make kind of some faux snow globes. So I'm going to take this little Dollar Tree Christmas tree ornament, and they come 2 to a pack, and I'm going to hot glue it to the base of my craft bottle, and then I'm going to add some little faux snow and a cute little gingerbread. This is like a little gingerbread sticker I got from Dollar Tree, and then I'm going to add another Christmas tree back behind my gingerbread. I felt like the gingerbread was a little bit large and kind of covered it up, so I took the second ornament that came in that pack, and I'm removing the base, and then I'm just going to kind of gently like stick it down onto the top. At first I thought I would put it in upside down. I was like, no, let's just go ahead and make it just like a taller tree. So here's how that looks. The next thing I did was take some of the little Dollar Tree vase fillers, and they're just like little glitter balls. You could also just use faux snow, but I thought the glitter balls might be kind of fun. I think it would be fun to shake it around, especially if you have a smaller, like, you know, kind of little toddler that likes to see the little balls dancing around. That might be kind of fun. And this is actually too also all that I had on hand. So you guys know I'm really trying to challenge myself this year to use all of the supplies in my craft stash. Well, maybe not all of them, but at least a lot of them, because I don't know if you guys are like me, but you always think every holiday you need to go out and buy tons and tons and tons of new stuff, which it is fun to go buy some new goodies, and I will be doing that probably this year. I'll be adding a couple little fun new things to my collection, but for the most part, I really want to challenge myself to use what I have on hand. So now I'm making a triple layered bow with the Dollar Tree Deco mesh. They're like rope tubes, and then I added that to the top of my jar to make it super duper fancy. And then I'm adding in some more little bows and little glitter vase fillers just to give it like a fancy top. And bam, how adorable is this? I think these would look really cute next to a table place setting. And this again would be something you could do with your kiddos and grandkids. Of course, you would just want to be sure to help them with any hot glue involved, but they could add like the little trees and little balls and different things like that into the center of it, or they could just help you pick out the decorations that you might want to make them in. Anyway, I thought that was a fun way to use those Dollar Tree craft jars. I always grab them, and I'm sometimes a little bit at a loss on what I want to do with them, but I thought this is a fun little decor idea that you guys might be able to use in your holiday decorating. For this Dollar Tree DIY, I want to share with you guys how you can take some of your Dollar Tree leftover Halloween or fall decor and make it into a fun holiday piece. So I'm using one of these Dollar Tree Deco mesh pumpkins or pumpkin wreath forms, and we're going to make it into like a Deco mesh, just kind of holiday decor piece. I want to make it into the shape of an ornament kind of, but when I got through I was like, I'm not for sure if I accomplished that, but what I'm going to do is take some of this Deco mesh and just use some zip ties and zip tie it in and around the sides. That way it's nice and secure on here. And then I'm going to take the Deco mesh and just kind of begin to wind it in and around the front part of the pumpkin. I also think it would be fun to take to do this with like a rag wreath style, which I shared with you guys a fun little rag wreath on one of my last DIYs. But I'm just going to take the Deco mesh and basically just wrap it around the entire pumpkin until I get to the other end, and then use some more zip ties. And we're going to add a giant bow to the top that's going to cover up some of those zip ties, so no worries there. It would be nice though if I did have some gold zip ties, but hey, we're going to make it festive and fun. So then once I got to the end of my Deco mesh roll, I just trimmed that off, and then I'm going to add in some of this Dollar Tree kind of Deco mesh tubing. They call it craft tubing or something like that, and then make a big giant bow just by taking the craft tubing and bunching it up together, looping it over on itself, and then kind of trimming that down. That way it has kind of some tails to our big fluffy duffy bow. The next thing I want to do is make a fancy bow for the top of this big giant oversized ornament, or just basically you know, a fun little Christmas decor piece. So I'm using some of this cute little snowman ribbon. I found this at Hobby Lobby a couple years ago. I'm going to add in some gold ribbon, again using what I already have in my stash, which I think is such a fun challenge for me to do this year, is decorate with using what I have. I think that's fun. And then once I have my bow all made, oh, and you guys asked me about this easy bow maker. You can grab them off of Amazon. Deco Exchange, I believe, has the cheapest ones of them. I think they're $14 on Deco Exchange, and then also you can get them at your craft stores. So anyway, I'm tying my cute little bow to the top of my oversized jumbo pumpkin faux ornament, or just Christmas fluffy piece. And I think it's looking pretty cute. I did go an extra step and add in some little gold stars and balls and different things like that, just to kind of jazz things up and make it a little bit more fun and give that bow a little bit of extra zhuzh. And it would be fun too to even take some more ribbons and kind of loop the ribbons down a little bit further. But here is how it turned out. I added in to my little Christmas setup here, and I just think it looks so fun and festive, and I think it would be really fun to put some pretty lights back behind it. Let me know what you guys are doing for your Christmas decorating and what style you guys going to be decorating for. I can't wait to hear what you guys are up to. This Dollar Tree DIY, I want to share with you guys how you can make some jazzy little Christmas napkin rings. So we're going to take some napkin rings from the Dollar Tree. I believe they come 6 to a pack, and we're going to make them fabulous on a budget. Add in a cute little Dollar Tree pre-made bow, and then I'm going to take some Dollar Tree, some of this little greenery, and hot glue that around it. Be careful with your fingers. I have neuropathy in my hand, so a lot of times I really can't feel what I'm doing around my finger, on the ends of my fingertips, but I'm going to take this little greenery and wrap it around my candle ring, trim that off, and then just add in some more fun things. So Walmart has these little mini ornaments for Christmas mini trees. My sweet friend Stacy grabbed these for me. I'm going to add them again to this little napkin ring, and I even think this napkin ring would be cute to give away, like as a little party gift or something. And then I'm going to add a cute little gingham bow to the top of that to kind of secure everything in there. But you guys can really get creative and make some fancy little napkin rings on a budget and just have them displayed on your table. I love doing that. I love just making a pretty fancy tablescape on my table and making it look really fancy, and sometimes it's just set up like that for us. So I hope you guys are loving this. Now listen, as always, I ask that you guys comment and let me know what was your favorite DIY in this video and which one will you be recreating. I can't wait to hear what everybody is up to for their Christmas decorating and how you guys are going to be doing your Christmas decorating. What is your theme going to be? Let's fill up the comment section of this video with all of your different themes. Are you doing glam? Are you going to be doing a farmhouse? Are you going to be doing traditional reds and greens? Do you like to kind of mix things together? Do you like to use your kids' ornaments? What do you love to do? Are you doing a pink Christmas, shabby chic? I think I could do like a different theme in every single room and still want to do more themes for Christmas. I love Christmas. I'm obsessed. I just think it's so fun and happy. It's such a fun, happy time. I cannot wait to share with you guys my big living room Christmas tree this year. I'm still playing with ideas in my head. I was going to do country glam. I think I still might do that, but I'm also thinking maybe I'll do a little bit more high-end luxury glam on a budget, or, you know, traditional reds and golds, or gosh, I don't even know. I'm going to probably surprise you. And there probably will have a little bit different themes throughout my home just to give everybody some different ideas. So I love y'all. I'm so thankful and blessed to have you guys here. I hope everybody's having a safe and wonderful week. And yeah, thank you guys for being here. And don't forget to comment down below and let me know what your theme is going to be. And if you need prayer, ask for prayer. You know, this is a community here, and we're just crafty mamas and grandmas and maybe some dads and grandpas and kids. And so I'm just thankful to have you guys here. Now, always I try to pop in Benji Bear into my video. There he is chilling out on, I have a little couch in my studio. My studio is actually just my garage that I made over. So there he is. And I had him all tucked on his blankie with his special little monster. That's his little monster. And there's his little special blanket. I cozied him up because it gets a little bit chilly in my studio during Christmas crafting because, of course, it is my garage. But I did paint it and make it look like it's my house. So if you guys wanted to see that transformation, I shared it on my channel 2 years ago, how I made over that space. So anyway, say hi to Benji Bear. I know he has some puppy dog and kitty cat fans, and we love y'all. So thank you all so much for joining me on another fun and fabulous crafty decor adventure. It's a true blessing and honor to have you all here. If you all are new, welcome. I am Olivia with Olivia's Romantic Home. I love to share with you guys how you can make your homes boutique, gorgeous on a budget. I truly believe that y'all don't have to break the bank to have a fabulous, amazing home. Now listen, for everybody that comes back and loves on me, thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Subscribing is totally free. If you punch the bell and click all, it will update you every single time I post a new video. Also pop over to my Olivia's Romantic Home Facebook page. I share several DIY videos a day over there just to keep you guys inspired and uplifted. And I feel like crafting and decorating is really good for your heart and soul. So if you're struggling with anything, you know, whether it be the highs and lows of life or, you know, anxiety or anything like that, listen, plug in those glue guns, get out a little bit of paint and have fun with it. Go for it. And remember, if you're just using Dollar Tree supplies and you've got a little $1 painted wood project, it's not the end of the world if you mess it up. Trust me, I mess a lot of things up. So I just want to encourage you guys to give yourselves grace in your life's journey and the people around you. So I love y'all to the moon and back. I can't wait for our next video. I can't wait to decorate my home from head to toe for Christmas. I have so many fun ideas to share with you guys, and I've already started putting in some Christmas into my home. So I love y'all. Until our next video, remember, be kind to yourselves and be kind to one another. Talk to you guys very soon. Bye-bye.